2016 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, cruise control, CD player, fog lights, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, daytime running lamps, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, towing package. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.